Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Naika. So today's video is going to be a loungewear video. So I have a couple of loungewear that I received from Jluxlabel that I want to try for you guys so you guys can see. I love this brand. They have everything. They got going out outfits and they got loungewear. So listen, get ready. So yeah guys, so let's get started. It's 4 of these, and I actually already have some that I'm gonna throw in there so you guys can see. All right, so let's get started. All right guys, so let's just dive right into trying these outfits on. All right, so let's get right into outfit number 1. Okay guys, so this is loungewear number 1. So as you guys can see, it is all black. It is like this soft material onesie, just to let you know, it's a onesie, right? It's a nice soft material. It's very comfortable, it's very relaxed fit. I consider it a loungewear. Now me personally, I know some people would wear this outside. I personally would just leave this for in the house when I just want to relax, be comfortable, not have to worry about anything. So I actually have 3 colors in this, and I'm going to try on all 3 colors for you guys so you guys can see. All right, so this is the black, super cute, super comfortable, super soft, the material. That's what I like about it. Oh my goodness, it's very relaxed, it's very stretchy. I mean, you can keep these for a long time because of how comfortable they are. I absolutely love the softness and the material of this. Like exactly how the material is. So you see it's like that nice lined material, but it's so soft and it's so comfortable. Oh my goodness, guys. All right, so I'm gonna try on. And I'm gonna put right here what the girls look like when they wore it. Like, I mean, they threw on some heels and stuff like that. They were killing it. Like, they look like they were gonna go outside with it. Let them do that. Me, I'm gonna wear this in the house because it's comfortable, it's lounge, it's relaxed. I probably wouldn't wear it. I mean, like I said, if push comes to shove, there comes a time, you know, I mean, no, I still don't see myself doing it. I'm never gonna try to convince myself. And, you know, I know some people would probably throw on a cute belt with some heels and then walk outside the house with it. Probably not me. But you know, that's how I am. All right, so, all right, that is number 1 loungewear, and I'm gonna try on the other 2 colors, so let's get on the second color. Okay, guys, so this is color number 2. So I love this color, guys. Now, me, I love this color. It reminds me of like a nice deep sea blue kind of color. Like, I just love how this color looks. But you guys can see the onesie now in a more different color, different form, because it's not black. You understand what I'm saying? So I love this color. I'm just gonna do like a nice 360 for you guys. So this is what it looks like. It's super relaxed, super comfortable. I love it. I mean, you know, you can literally just like I said, chill out and look cute in your house. Chill out, look cute. You know, in your house. But that's what I love about it. Oh my goodness, it's a really nice comfortable, relaxed wear. I mean, guys, you really can't go wrong. So this is how it looks so you guys can see. Like I said, guys, I love it. Super relaxed, super comfortable. You can't go wrong with it. You can't go wrong with it at all. All right, so let's get on to the third one. Okay guys, so this is outfit number 3. This is a more of a sky blue kind of color. I love this. This is the last one that I have in this full-on onesie. So I absolutely love the way that it looks. I love how it just, oh my goodness, like, you know, it's a, guys, you can't go wrong. You can't go wrong with how relaxing and comfortable this looks overall. It's such a vibe. It is totally a vibe. Right? I just love how it's just, like I said, it's a full-on onesie, you know, and it's really cute, really comfortable, really nice, really relaxing. I just love it. I absolutely love it. Absolutely love it. Like I said, people would go out with this. I personally would not. I like the fact that it's loungy and I could be in the house with it and I could be relaxed with it in the house. So this is something that I would wear just in the house. And that's just how I am, you know? So yeah. All right, guys, so this is outfit number 3. Yes, I mean, super comfortable, super relaxing. The last one you guys just saw was a blue with the onesie. So now you guys are actually seeing 2-piece versions to those. But these are actually, you know, like I said, it's the leggings and the top. So you can actually wear these out. You can go out with them. I personally still probably wouldn't, but they're so comfortable and so super cute to go out with. And I can see people why people would go out with it. You know, and I am gonna post the girls who were originally wearing it in the photo so you guys can see exactly what they did, you know. But yeah, this is the onesie number 1. This is a brown. I don't have, not onesie, this 2-piece. The brown onesie I don't have. I wish I did, because now seeing this is really nice. So I mean, I definitely wish I did have it. But yeah, this is so super cute. All right, so let me get on to 2-piece number 2. All right, guys, so then this is 2-piece number 2. This is the black version to the brown. And like I said, this is a 2-piece version to the black onesie, right? So it does have like an elastic band right here that, you know, keeps it snug on your hips and your waist. So yeah, and around you. So this is, oh my goodness, I love this. Like I said, guys, the material is so soft. It is so soft. I mean, you can't go wrong. You cannot go wrong, guys. You cannot go wrong. And people will wear this, like I said, people will wear this out. I personally probably wouldn't, or probably will. I guess I gotta look at it a little more, see how I dress it up, see how I look. Let me put a little cute belt and see, you know, but you can wear it out in your choice. Just by how I'm looking now and I'm seeing in the camera, I can see myself going out with it. Not sure if I would still make the choice to do it. Probably if my husband saw me walking outside the door, he'd probably be like, where you going? So, you know, but at the same time, you know, this is, I love this. This is very loungy. This is cute. Oh my goodness. Yeah. I mean, the new vibe and style is, you know, people do go, you know, to go out with these things. But I mean, personally, me, I'm a little bit different. So yeah. All right, so let's get on to 2-piece set number 3, and that's gonna be like that sea green color, just like the sea green onesie. All right, guys, so then this is the sea greenish kind of color 2-piece set to the onesie. Oh my goodness, guys, I'm falling in love with these 2-piece sets. This is so nice. This is so comfy. This is so relaxing. This is so, like, you know, it's inviting, you know, like, I mean, you know, sometimes you just lounge around and everything like that, and you're always looking for that comfortable thing to wear. Like, this is it. Like, this is it. You know, I don't even know how else to describe it. I love the way that it looks. I love the way that it feels. It's super comfy, super relaxing. Like I said, I said this for all of them. So comfy, so relaxing. Like, can you blame me? Can you blame me? So yeah, I love it. I absolutely love it. You know, like I said, it's the cutest. It's the lounge wear. It's so comfy. Wear it in my house. Not too hot. I'm not hot and bothered or anything like that by wearing it, you know. So this is a sea green color to this. And like I said, I didn't even think I showed you guys the material. So it's similar to the one that I showed you guys earlier. Like I said, it's the same material, but it's a 2-piece, right? It's a 2-piece. All right, so let us get on to that last 2-piece, which is the light blue, sky blue one version 2-piece to the onesie. So all right, guys, so this is the sky blue, light bluish color to the same, like to the onesie. All right, so yeah. All right. So now I'm gonna try on the next one. I'll be back. All right, guys, so this is the next one. It is a orange onesie. but turtleneck. So the back is out. I love this. This is something different, something out of the ordinary. When I saw it, I absolutely fell in love with it. I was like, OMG, this is so nice. Let me just pull up the leg. Right, yeah. So I honestly thought that this was a really like different. I love the color of it. It's like that coral color. This is so nice. All right, so the next one I'm gonna try, I actually have a different color in this one, so I'm gonna try that one next. This is the back again. All right, guys, here's another one. So this one is more like a sweater material. It's a little more on the thicker side. Just to show you guys as a close-up, it is more on the thicker side. Right, so what you call it, it is like it's still stretchy. It still goes a long way. Like I said, it is on the sweater and thicker side. So these, I think this one will be more in the winter. I love the way it looks. I love the way it fits. It's so comfortable. Like I said, it's also soft like the other ones, but those are more lighter fabric compared to this is a more thicker fabric. So, right. So, all right. So now let's try one more to try, you guys. So I'll be back. All right, guys. So this is the last one. This is like a red one. Yes, I saved the red for last because it's a more vibrant color. Perfect way to end off the live. This one is, like I said, it's an all red one. This fabric material is a lot smoother, as you guys can see. Right, so this is the back, right? And all right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is all of my loungewear that I wear at home, in the comfort of my own home. You know, saying, like I showed you guys the different colors and variations and things that I have. A lot of people tend to wear these out. I don't necessarily would wear these out. I would rather just save this for like in my house and stay comfortable in my house. And yeah, that's about it. But you know, you guys saw how all of them look on the model itself, and then you know where it comes into me. Like I said, I'm in my house, so it doesn't matter. Yeah, hope you guys like this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so that way you get notified anytime I post another video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys loved my loungewear.